Hello everyone. Let us evaluate this integral of 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x, integral with respect to x. Solution for this: first of all, represent given integral as I is equal to integral of 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x, integral with respect to x. But we know tan x is equal to ratio of sin x with cos x. Hence, I is equal to integral of replacing tan x by sin x upon cos x in numerator as well as in denominator. Hence, 1 plus sin x divided by cos x, integral with respect to x. Again, simplify numerator and denominator. Cos x into 1 is cos x minus sin x divided by cos x whole divided by, now this one, cos x plus sin x divided by cos x, integral with respect to x. Hence, this is equal to, I can be written as integral of cos x minus sin x divided by cos x. This is numerator into reciprocal of denominator, cos x divided by sin x plus cos x, integral with respect to x. Since a upon b divided by c upon d, we can write this as a upon b into reciprocal of c upon d, that is d upon c. Now here this cos x cancels with this cos x, and then integral can be written as I is equal to integral of cos x minus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x, integral with respect to x. By observation, it is clear that numerator is derivative of denominator, because derivative of sin x is cos x and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Hence, since derivative of denominator sin x plus cos x with respect to x is derivative of sin x is cos x plus derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Meaning of this is very clear. This integral is in the form of integral of f dash x divided by f of x, integral with respect to x, and this is integral formula which is equal to logarithm of f of x, logarithm of denominator plus integral constant c. Hence, I is equal to logarithm of denominator, and you know denominator is sin x plus cos x plus integral constant c, and this is the value of given integral, and which is answer. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video.